It was a good week in the garden this week, very productive. I was able to tackle a project that's been needing to be done for a while. I was able to tackle the courtyard. The courtyard is the heart and center of this cottage, and because of the way it's designed, it does tend to build up quite a bit of dirt and grime because it's beneath a big oak tree, and I just can't afford to bring in a professional power washer all the time, and this needs to be done quite a bit. So I decided to invest in a power washer of my own. So I spent this week learning how to use it and putting it together. It ended up being quite easy. I went a little crazy and power washed more than just the courtyard. I power washed the furniture as well and other parts of the house. And it was fun, but very dirty. I was also reminded this week just how much nature and the universe and our gardens give back to us. It's really amazing when you stop and take a look at it. Ever since I started this garden several years ago, I've had it predominantly on my vision board, and I've just been amazed at how much nature has gifted us. For instance, this week it rained quite a bit. I had a friend gift me some ferns that needed a home, and another friend gifted me this amazing pineapple from her family's farm. I cut it up and ate part of it, and then I juiced it, and I took the juice and mixed that with some basil from my courtyard and made a delicious pineapple basil cocktail for cocktail hour this week. So there's a lot to log this week in the garden journal, and I've chosen to try to illustrate a woodpecker that I saw in one of my oak trees.